FLN Activity English Lesson number 2, Use of this and that. This we use this for near things and we use that for far things. This is a big tree. This is a girl. That is a small plant. That is a woman. This is a fat boy. This is an egg. That is a thin boy. That is a ball. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the brackets. This bag is red. This dash a dog. This is a dog. That is a dash. That is a bell. That dash a dash. That is a boy. This is dash doll. This is my doll. This dash is dash. This man is thin. That dash is dash. That boy is fat. This dash is dash. This cat is small. This kite is dash. This kite is blue. Lesson number 3. Use of these and those. We use these for near things and we use those for far things. These are girls. Those are boys. These are glasses. Those are cups. Fill in the blanks with correct option. These are dash. These are bags. Those dash books. Those are books. Dash are girls. These are girls. Those dash boys. Those are boys. These are dash. These are houses. Those are dash pens. Those are my pens. Those are dash books. Those are your books. These are dash pencils. These are his pencils. Dash are my books and dash are your books. These are my books and those are your books. Lesson number 4. Use of where, here, there. Where did Jay meet Ravi? He met him in the market. Why did he go there? He went there for evening walk. Will he come here? He may come here tomorrow. What are those children doing there? They are playing. Has Seema been here? No, she has not been here since long. Where has she gone? I don't know. She never told me. Where is the book? It is here on the table. Where is the sofa? If here it here in the living room. There are so many things kept in the room. Exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Dash are you going? Where are you going? The children are playing dash. The children are playing there. It is dash on the table. It is here on the table. Why did she go dash? Why did she go there? Dash is your home. Where is your home? The book is dash in my hand. The book is here in my hand. Lesson number 5. Use of he, his, him and himself. He is a boy. This is his pencil. To draw pictures. His uncle brought this pencil. Whenever he comes to his home, he gives a gift to him. Goes to school every day. He always ready to school himself. Fill in the blanks using by, he, his, him or himself. Dash has just told me what you said. He has just told me what you said. I don't trust Dash. I don't trust him. The boy took Dash books from the shelf. The boy took himself books from the shelf. Dash went home 2 hours ago. He went home 2 hours ago. We both follow Dash on Twitter. We both follow him on Twitter. Is that Dash book? Is that his book? Dash is a doctor. He is a doctor. Geeta is Dash teacher. Geeta is herself teacher. Look at Dash. Dash is very sad. Look at him. He is very sad. I showed Dash my new phone. I showed him my new phone. He, his, him. Choose the correct options. Dash knee is injured. His knee is injured. Dash has got a black eye. He has got a black eye. Look at Dash. Dash is very sad. Look at him. He is very sad. Fourth one. It is not her dog. It's Dash. It is not her dog. It's his dog. Fifth one. Dash loves doing exercise. He loves doing exercise. Sixth one, she invited Dash to have a drink. She invited him to have a drink. Seventh one, Dash is eating Dash breakfast. He is eating his breakfast. Eighth one, Dash girlfriend loves Dash very much. His girlfriend loves him very much. Ninth one, my dog is bigger than Dash. My dog is bigger than his. Dash friends go to school by bus. His friends go to school by bus. 11th one, Dash mother gave Dash a new book. His mother gave him a new book. 12th one, Dash sister is very important to Dash. His sister is very important to him. 13th one, look at Dash. Dash is in the classroom. Look at him. He is in the classroom. 14th, Dash likes playing with Dash train toy. He likes playing with his train toy. 15th one, they are happier than Dash. They are happier than him. 16th one, Dash is in the kitchen. He is in the kitchen. 17th one, Dash baby sister is crying. His baby sister is crying. 18th one, Dash friends are coming to visit Dash. His friends are coming to visit him. 19th one, Dash loves Dash dog. He loves his dog. 20th one, Dash lessons finish at 3:30. His lessons finish at 3:30. Dash mother is saying Dash goodbye. His mother is saying him goodbye. She is singing for Dash. She is singing for him. Dash is doing Dash homework. He is doing his homework. Last one. Dash is thinking. He is thinking. Lesson number 6. Uses of she, her and hers. This is a girl. Her name is Zakiya. She is a very beautiful and wise. She goes to school every day. She wanted to be a doctor. She is always happy. She is busy in the study and also she helps her mother in the kitchen. And play with her father. Her father brought the dog for home, but she always says that is hers. That dog is her companion. She loves their parents very much. She, her, hers. Choose the correct options. First one, Dash is an actress. She is an actress. Second one, Dash is drying Dash hair. She is drying her hair. Look at Dash. Dash has got blonde hair. Look at her. She has got blonde hair. Dash umbrella is white and pink. Her umbrella is white and pink. Fifth one, Dash brushes Dash teeth after Dash meals. She brushes her teeth after her meals. Sixth one, Dash is cold. She is cold. It's not his dog, it's Dash. It's not his dog, it's hers. Eighth one. Dash boyfriend loves dash very much. Her boyfriend loves her very much. Ninth one. Dash performance was excellent. Her performance was excellent. Tenth one. The computer mouse is hers. 11th one. Dash godmother gave a dash a new book. Her grandmother gave her a new book. I am a friend of dash. I am a friend of hers. Look at dash. Dash is a fairy. Look at her. She is a fairy. Dash loves surfing. She loves surfing. Dash friend is nice. Her friend is nice. Dash is American. She is American. This book is not mine, it's dash. This book is not mine, it's hers. Dash friends are visiting dash. Her friends are visiting her. Dash is playing with dash friends. She is playing with her friends. I am hugging dash teddy bear. I am hugging her teddy bear. This is one of dash dogs. This is one of her dogs. Dash is dancing for me. She is dancing for me. Dash is doing science experiments with some friends of dash. She is doing science experiments with some friends of hers. James is using dash umbrella. James is using her umbrella. She, he, her, him, his. Dash likes to run. She likes to run. Dash sister is a ballet dancer. Her sister is a ballet dancer. This is Dash husband. This is her husband. Dash likes to play with Dash. He likes to play with him. I saw Dash paintings. It was beautiful. I saw her paintings. It was beautiful. Dash was wearing glow. He was wearing glow. Dash was feeding Dash kitten. She was feeding her kitten. My granny sat on Dash rocking chair. My granny sat on her rocking chair. Dash costume was beautiful. Her costume was beautiful. Dash was carrying Dash books. He was carrying his books. Dash was reading a book for Dash brother and sister. She was reading a book for her brother and sister. Dash went with Dash grandma last week. She went with her grandma last week. Dash was holding Dash umbrella. She was holding her umbrella. Dash draw a sun. She draw a sun. Dash dad gave Dash gift. His dad gave him gift. That's Dash Aunt Rose. That's his Aunt Rose. Dash is very shy. He is very shy. Dash was doing Dash homework. He was doing his homework. Dash likes Dash friend. He likes his friend. Dash goes to be with Dash doll. She goes to be with her doll. Correct the mistakes. Hi, the girl on my right is Mona. He is holding a fork. It was him idea to go out on a picnic today. The boy on my right is Hassan. She is passing me a plate. Her dad told me not to be late for her chess club. The correct passage is Hi, the girl on my right is Mona. She is holding a fork. It was her idea to go out on a picnic today. The boy on my right is Hassan. He is passing me a plate. His dad told me not to be late for his chess club. Lesson number 7. Use of you, your and yours. Arshia, hello, I am Arshia. What is your name? Suhail. Hello, I am Suhail. Is this your class? Arshia, yes, this is my classroom. Suhail, I have heard a lot about you. The teacher said you are a good student. Arshia, thank you. Suhail, will you please help me to complete the English project? Arshia, oh sure, why not? Tell me what can I do for you? Suhail, thank you very much. Wow, is this your project? Looking at her project. Arshia, yes, this mine. Show me yours. Yours. Choose the correct options. First one, dash or late. You are late today. Second one, dash always pray before going to bed. You always pray before going to bed. What happened to dash? What happened to you? Dash friends are very nice. Your friends are very nice. Don't forget to brush your teeth. She gave Dash some ice cream. She gave you some ice cream. My backpack is heavier than dash. My backpack is heavier than yours. Dash grandmother loves dash very much. Your grandmother loves you very much. Ninth one, is the bike dash? Is the bike yours? 10th one, some friends of dash go to school by bus. Some friends of yours go to school by bus. 11th one, dash father gave dash a new ball. Your father gave you a new ball. Dash sister is very important to dash. Your sister is very important to you. What are dash doing in dash classroom? What are you doing in your classroom? Do dash like riding dash bike? Do you like riding your bike? The dog dash or hugging is not dash. The dog you are hugging is not yours. Why are dash crying? Why are you crying? Are dash playing chess? Are you playing chess? Dash friends are visiting. Your friends are visiting you. Is this backpack dash? Is this backpack yours? Are dash walking dash dog? Are you walking yours dog? Dash mother is saying dash good boy. Your mother is saying you good boy. Dash presentation was excellent. Your presentation was excellent. Are dash getting dressed? Are you getting dressed? Is the horse yours?